Two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Two little legs go tap, tap, tap. Two little eyes.
What letter is it, Zoha? What? And what comes before H? G. Very good. Excellent. Which letter is it, Abdurrahman? E. And what comes after E? F. Very good. What is this letter? A. What comes after A? What comes after A? B. Very good. Pick it up and paste it there. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Hamna, what is this letter?
C.
Which letter?
C.
What comes after C? What comes after C? Very good. D. Pick it up and paste it there. Excellent, Hamna. Clap for Hamna. What is this letter?
L.
What is this letter? L. And what comes before L? K. Where is K? Okay, paste it there. Very good. Letter Hajra.
J.
Look at me. What is this letter?
J.
And what comes before J?
I.
Where is I? Where is I letter? Find it out. Yes, very good. And paste it there. Very good. Excellent.